Am I here? Who do you think you are kidding, Mr. Hitler? If you think you got us on the run. Goes like that somewhere, you know. Yeah, the last one has passed away. They're all dropping like flies these days. Ian Laurie. Oh, God, no. Ian Lavender. I'm thinking of Frazier then. Ian Lavender has passed away. The last of the main cast of Dad's Army from the 1960s stroke 1970s. Ian Lavender. He wasn't that old. How old is he? 70s somewhere. 74 was it? Hang on. He started playing Pike! You stupid boy. At 22, just out of acting school. And he got typecast, we could say. Well, he liked to do his on the stage bit. I think he did, I don't know. You know, rep is a dog. Rep. Yes. Yeah. Taylor Swift won a Grammy. Oh, she's on a planet of her own. I tried listening to her speech. It was like, it was all alien to me. She's speaking in a way like, you know, this type of fuck the world type of speech. It's all about me. It's all about me. Me, Taylor Swift. Oh, bloody hell. She's obviously a strong girl. She's obviously a very smart girl. She's obviously a very, very rich girl. Bloody hell, man. Be a patron of my YouTube channel. God, bloody hell, she's a billionaire. Showbiz billionaire. Something crazy is going on here. And they said that 2% of all the music heard in the world, or something like that, they said, is Taylor Swift singing. You know, I've hardly heard any of her songs. I couldn't even name one of them. No, Lady Gaga, she's similar, but at least I know some of her songs. What was that one? The one that, whatever. Aye. That British group is quite interesting, though. Aye. Done well in this country, you know, and also done well in USA. 5 girls. Stories. What is a girl? What is female? Oh, God. Anyway, here's the Barry John. Here's the Ian Lavender. Barry. Private Pike. Ian Lavender. You are going on the list. Oh, you are also going on the list. What is your name? Don't tell him, Pike. Pike. Who do you think you are? Right, who's next for the box? Topical joke. If I carry on coughing like that, I'll be in one. You don't get it. Oh, grow up. Yeah, so I went out at 7:30 this morning. Well, just before 7:30, I went to the garage and bought a box of cancer sticks, better known as FAGS. That's a good name for a pop group, isn't it? FAGS. I wonder if it'll be banned in USA. What a mad world. Western world, Western world. That's why I moved back to West Wales. It's more like, like an indigenous land, closer to the land. Oh God, couldn't stand London. London, England, southeast of England. Anyway, I look at Taylor Swift so with a paternal concern. I'm at that certain age, like there's that girl in Lidl. No idea what she's an assistant man. I shouldn't be seeing this. She seems interesting. Shut up. I'm an old brilliant teen trout. Brilliant teen coffin codger. Coffin dodger. That's what they used to call us in, well, not so much my time in the armed forces, doing various things. That's what they used to call them, well, fucking civilians normally. You come back from the army, 4 years in bloody North Africa, or whatever, or come back from D-Day. Well, the ones that were in North Africa, some of them went up to Palestine, that area, Syria, Palestine, that way. And, well, most of them went up through Italy. Like Pink Floyd, Roger Waters, his father got killed in Anzio landings. That was a cock-up. So from North Africa. Spike Milligan, for instance, from North Africa. He just lost the plot. He got to Italy and they were going up there, and Spike Milligan just had a sort of meltdown. Yeah, it could have been all the percussion from the bloody, using the artillery, fighting those bloody guns. Artillery corps. Cool. Yeah, I thought I'd come online, make a bloody Voyage creature full movie. 2001. I used to like the cinema when I was young. And in my mid-20s, oh God. Oh, it's those mid-1980s movies. Everyone was, apart from exceptions, were rubbish. Oh, have you seen this movie? Have you seen that movie? Go to see it. Blockbusters. No, Blockbusters. Ghostbusters. And I think around about when I went to see Ghostbusters, I thought, oh, fuck this. I'm not coming to the cinema again. This is rubbish. A couple of years later, I went to see that movie with Rob Lowe, Demi Moore, about last night. That was interesting. Based in Chicago, I think it is. That was interesting. And Demi Moore got a chest that. That was a good movie. I liked the social aspect of it. Like these bloody companies. One was a meat supplier, one of the Belushi brothers. Not the one that died young. Can't remember their names now. It was his younger brother. He was in it with Rob Lowe. I remember the first scene, and they were bloody talking, guys in their 20s talk, in the in the elevator. I thought, oh, this seems interesting. Yeah. He copped off Demi Moore. And he started an affair, and oh God, usual shit, childish nonsense. But in between there was, the bloody, well, it was 1980s. It was very 1980s. Good God, I've been talking for almost 12 minutes. Yeah, so Ian Lavender, all the best, lad. Barry, me, coughing dodging. Ta-da.